Another item that might be beneficial to use for photographers is to keep track of mileage within QuickBooks. You don't actually expense these as you pay for them, but you get to deduct the mileage with your taxes at the end of the year, so you want to keep track of them. You can always keep track of them in Excel or just by handwritten notes, but you can also keep track of it in QuickBooks. I added this little icon for tracking mileage. I did that by going down here to customize, and there was this enter mileage. I clicked it and dragged it over here, and now it's over here on the sidebar. So now say I went to a client's. Now I just tried this a minute ago for the first time, so I added a Honda, but let's say we do a Toyota, and let's say we did the session today. Now you can do an odometer start and end. Oh, first I have to quick add this vehicle. Or for this purposes, I just want to keep track that I did 50 miles that day. And I could make a note here that it was customer number 2. Now it's not billed, and we don't want it to be billable since we're not passing that along at this point. We just want to keep track of it for our purposes. So I'm going to hit OK. Now at the end of the year, I can do a report and go under Jobs, Time and Mileage by Vehicle Summary. And I had entered one in for an example, and it's saying how many mileage and what the mileage expense is. That mileage expense is extrapolating out based on what they think the rate is with the IRS. But the miles is what you're going to want to keep track of during the year. And then if you want, you can drill down on any of these and see what caused those items. That way, at the end of the year, when you take things to your accountant, you can print out your mileage log.